Hello guys, welcome to TJ Infinite Learning Hub. In this video, we are going to see about what is machine learning, pros and cons of machine learning, characteristics of machine learning, applications of machine learning. Let's get into the video. In this diagram, we can understand how artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science are related together. Let's imagine artificial intelligence as a big umbrella. In that, machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence which helps the computer to learn from the data without being explicitly trained. Deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning that works like a human brain. Data science helps to organize and analyze data to make artificial intelligence and machine learning to work better. Definition of machine learning: as we know, machine learning is a part or subset of artificial intelligence which involves design and development process. This design and development involves two procedures, which is rules and math. This rule is technically called as algorithm and math is technically called as statistical model. This procedure helps the computers to enable to improve their performance on a specific task through experiences, that is by learning from the past data and making predictions or decisions based on the past data. Goal of machine learning: the major goal of machine learning is to automate the computer by learning and adapting to new informations and enhance the ability to perform on a specific task. Let's understand the machine learning workflow. I will explain this diagram with real-time example. I will compare both image as well as with example. Think it of like teaching a child. We have three phases: training, testing and prediction phase. In training phase, that is we are going to teach. In training phase, we are showing many pictures like cats and dogs to a child, which is training data. The child learns to recognize them is a training the model, that is train ML algorithm. Next is testing phase. In this testing phase, if it performs good, then it's successful model, else we have to repeat the process. Next is prediction phase. In this prediction phase, we are going to show a new animal picture. If the model, if the child predicts the animal picture correctly, that is if it is a cat or dog correctly, then the process is successful, else we have to loop the process. This is how it works. I will tell again that we are going to show a picture of cats and dogs to a child, that is we are going to train the data and the child learns from those pictures called training the model. And if and we are going to show a new animal picture, and if the child correctly predicts, the model is success, else it's failure. This is how machine learning works. Next is characteristics of machine learning. In this, first is data driven. In machine learning, the model always works with the help of data sets. Without that, we cannot do any process. So data set or data driven is a very important in machine learning model to train and test the model. Pattern recognition. In this, we are going to identify patterns and relationships within data. That is, if a dress shopkeeper analyze the past data, which dress has sold highly. In that, for example, red dress or green dress, which is purchased by the customers highly, and he can make new strategies to sold the products. So in that category, pattern recognition is very important. So next is learning from experiences, that is learning from the past data or historical data. That is just like a human's ML model get better by learning from past mistakes and successes. Next is automation, that is we are going to reduce the manual interventions and automate the process. Next is predictive power, that is in this we are going to train the model, test and train the model, which is used by past or historical data to predict the model. And for example, like weather forecasting, etc. Scalability. In this, machine learning can manage and analyze mass amount of data quickly and efficiently. Next is advantage or pros. That is, we are going to automate the process which saves times and handle repetitive tasks without human efforts. Next is better decisions. Machine learning algorithm gives us better decisions. Personalization means machine learning customizes experience based on user preferences. For example, in streaming services like Netflix suggests us as the show based on what you have watched before. Next is scalability. Already we know that machine learning can handle mass amount of data effectively and efficiently. Next is prediction. The core concept of machine learning is to automate the process and predict the output. Next is disadvantages or cons of machine learning. First is data dependency. As we know that machine learning works only with the help of data sets. So data dependency is the major requirement in machine learning. Next is complexity. Some models may be difficult to understand the process. And next is overfitting and underfitting concept. This is a major important concept in machine learning. That is, overfitting means the model remembers too much and fails on new data. For example, a model trained to recognize only specific type of dogs, like just one breed alone, but fails to recognize other dogs' breed. Next is underfitting, which is the model learns too little and misses important details. That is, for example, a model that only knows animals and can't tell the difference between dog and cats, like that. Next is computational cost. When we are training and testing the model, it requires some models requires powerful resources and powerful memory processes. So it is expensive to spend that models. Next is bias and fairness. In that, uh, machine learning lead to unfair and incorrect outcomes. That is, for example, favoring one group over other. Next is applications of machine learning in this healthcare. For example, machine learning can detect early sign of cancers from medical scans and predict disease outbreaks based on patient data. Next is finance. In this, we are going to detect fraud and automate trade. Like, for example, a bank uses machine learning to spot unusual transactions, and in stock market, it manages the trading automatically. Next is marketing, which is used like Amazon and YouTube, which suggest products or videos based on your past activity. Next, in retail, it helps like Walmart companies may forecast the demands and stocks using ML algorithms. In transportations, like Google Maps suggest us the faster route based on the traffics. In airlines also, it is very important to maintain the predictions. Next is manufacturing. In manufacturing field, it detects the defects in the parts and reduce wastes and time. Next is customer services. In this, companies like Apple and Amazon uses chatbots to assist customers 24 by 7. Next is in education field, like Duolingo adjusts lessons based on how well you learn. ML can predict if a student need extra help. In agriculture field, farmers uses ML powered drones to check crop health and predict the best time to harvest them. In entertainment field, recommends content based on user behavior. For example, Netflix suggests us movies and Spotify playlist based on your listening habits. This is how machine learning works, and I hope you understand this concept machine learning easily. Thank you so much, guys.